Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Gotta excuse me, my voice is a little chappy. It's Sir Warrior Loft here. These right here are looking for new homes. All squeakers. All squeakers. You're looking for a new flying team? They're ready to go, y'all. I just want to say that. Sir Warrior Loft. Young ones ready and looking for new homes. Give me a call. My name is Tyree Presley. Tyree. Last name Presley, Pre, 2 S's Ley. You can give me a call at 212-951-1623. This is Warrior Blood. AT&T Warrior Blood. Give me a call and let me know. We're the second branch. Give us a call. Let us know. And most of these are all hens. You got, I think, 2 boys in here. Yeah, look at them, really nice. Yeah. Just keep on looking. With the assistance of Miss Martinez. She's over there chilling. Let us know. And those right there, you got to see the tails on that. Have the indigo tail. He has a brown, he has the rim tail. Yeah. Check them out, y'all. Let us know. 212-951-1623. Or you can get in touch with Abraham. Doesn't matter. Y'all know Abraham's number. That's headquarters in Florida. We upstate New York. Next day shipping. If not, you come get them. It's a whole lot cheaper. I'll even drop the prices on the birds. Thank you and God bless. See you in the next video.